So the approachable sky, meaning the first sky. Allah just said in the previous, there are 7 layers of the sky, right? So the lowest one of them was beautified with masabih, from misbah. Misbah means lamp. This is Allah's way of saying Allah put lamps, hung lamps, all over the first sky. Lamps here refers to the stars. And so we're learning that the stars are decorations for sky number 1. How many skies are there altogether? 7. So the most powerful telescopes we have now that peer into the depths of the universe still see stars. As far as you see stars, you're still looking at sky number 1. وَلَقَدْ زَيَّنَا السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيحِ. We decorated the first sky, the lowest sky, with stars. وَجَعَلْنَاهَا رُجُومًا لِلشَّيَاطِينَ. And we made them a means of firing at, stoning, pelting the devils. In other words, we're going to learn actually in Surah Al-Jinn. We've learned some of this before also. Some of it was mentioned in Surah Qaf. That the shayateen try to steal information from the angels. But the angels have an entire platoon. They have an entire entourage that delivers sacred information from the 7th heavens to the earth to prophets or whatever execution of affairs. The angels are going to do Allah's work on the earth. And the jinn try to steal it in the sky. But when they try to steal it, the angels have basically, anti-aircraft, anti-jinn missiles that they shoot at them. And these are the shooting stars and meteors and stuff. They're fired at them and they run. So this entire scene, وَجَعَلْنَاهَا رُجُومًا لِلشَّيَاطِينَ, it's left ambiguous now. Surah Al-Jinn will open this subject up. When the jinn describe themselves, how they get shot at. وَأَعْتَدْنَا لَهُمْ عَذَابَ السَّعِيرِ. And we have prepared for them punishment of the blazing flame. Now back in the day, somebody asked one of the Muslims, how are the jinn going to be burning in hellfire? They're made of fire. How's it going to burn them? So the scholar they asked took some dirt and threw it in the guy's eyes. The guy's like, why'd you do that? I was like, you're made of dirt, did it hurt? So, not the best way to answer a question in conversation, but it gets the point across. And probably anecdotal. But anyway, وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمْ. And for those who disbelieve in their master, those who disbelieved in their master, it's punishment of Jahannam. وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ. What a horrible place to go back to that is. كُلَّمَا أُلْقِيَ فِيهَا فَوْجٌ. Every single time a huge group of people is being thrown into it, سَأَلَهُمْ خَزَنَتُهَا. Its guardians. The guardians that were mentioned in Surah Al-Tahrim. Remember them? عَلَيْهَا مَلَائِكَةٌ غِلَاظٌ شِدَادٌ لَا يَعْصُونَ اللَّهَ مَا أَمَرَهُمْ. Those same guardians in the next surah. Now they're asking them, أَلَمْ يَأْتِكُمْ نَذِيرٌ. No warner came to you? You weren't given graphic description of this? You hear that donkey braying noise? You weren't told about that? You didn't own a donkey and it reminded you now? You didn't hear about the steaming when you're about to be thrown in? Nobody came? Really? You didn't hear it? SubhanAllah. Alam ya'tikum nadhir? See, this statement is very heavy because I connect this statement directly to what is a nadhir. What is a nadhir? Nadhir is a messenger. But the book is also a nadhir. Al-Qur'anu bashirun wa nadhir. If the vast majority of Muslims don't even know the warning, they don't even know what Allah says, how He's warning us about the serious nature of hellfire. And by the way, previous surah I already tried to make the point, we're not supposed to feel safe from hellfire. Because if we were, Allah wouldn't tell us to protect ourselves from it. So is it possible that a Muslim who never cared to go through the Qur'an, even a little, even to know, just a little, isn't that question valid on that person too? No warner came to you? You didn't get any warning? Nothing? You have no clue? أَلَمْ يَأْتِكُمْ نَذِيرٌ قَالُوا. And these people, the kuffar even, they said, بَلَا جَاءَنَا نَذِيرٌ. Yeah, a warner did come to us. فَكَذَّبْنَا. We just considered him a lie. We just considered it a lie. We considered him a liar. We attribute lies to them. We accuse them of being liars. وَقُلْنَا مَا نَزَلَ اللَّهُ مِنْ شَيْءٍ. And we said, come on, Allah didn't send anything down. Please, revelation, God, messenger. وَقَالُوا لَوْ كُنَّا نَسْمَعُ أَوْ نَعْقِلُ. And they will say then, if we had only listened, and if we had only understood, if we had only applied our intellect. The first condition mentioned here is that of listening. لَوْ كُنَّا نَسْمَعُ أَوْ نَعْقِلُ. The thing of it is, this revelation, these messengers, they are of no benefit to a person until they're willing to listen. And only after listening will you consider giving it some thought. Right? وَلَوْ كُنَّا نَسْمَعُ أَوْ نَعْقِلُ مَا كُنَّا فِي أَصْحَابِ السَّعِيرِ. We would not have been from the people of the blazing, the scorching fire. فَاعْتَرَفُوا بِذَنْبِهِمْ. Then they'll admit to their sin.